All right, so this video is gonna teach you guys how to measure an angle using a protractor. Now, I'm hoping everyone received a protractor. I know Kelly Knight, our district social worker, dropped one off for everybody. So please make sure you have one. If you don't, you can email me and I'll try and get you one. So when you're using a protractor, guys, a couple things you wanna look for. Each protractor has something that looks sort of like a little bullseye on it. You'll see where these two lines come together. You always want that to be right over the vertex. That's the point where the lines come together to form an angle. And then you'll see a line going from 0 to 180 degrees. You'll want that lined up with one of the lines that forms your angle. So let's say first, I'm gonna classify this angle, then I'm gonna measure it. Now this is an acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees. If it were 90 degrees, this line here would be like this. But since it's skinnier than 90-degree angle, we say it's an acute angle. So it's less than 90 degrees. That'll help us choose which number on the protractor to use. So now I'm gonna measure it. You'll notice I'm gonna get this bullseye right over this vertex here. And you'll also notice, guys, that this line here, it's lined up perfectly with one of the lines that forms the angle. So you'll notice, guys, this is right between here. So I can either choose 55 degrees or 125 degrees. Remember, we said it's an acute angle. It's less than 90 degrees. So we're gonna go with 55 degrees. So this is a 55-degree angle. And we know that it was an acute angle. So now let's look at this one. This is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. So we know we'll choose the bigger number on the protractor this time. So once again, I'm gonna get this lined up. You'll see this little bullseye is gonna go right over that vertex that forms the angle. And you're also gonna notice, let's get that lined up better, that this line here is lined up perfectly with this line that forms the angle. And you'll notice I can choose from either 50 degrees or 130 degrees. Since it's obtuse, I'm gonna go with 130 degrees. So this is a 130-degree angle. That's good.